everybody, I just wanted to share our Brave Little Hearts kit. This is it's a special one really. It's for children that are having hospital stays, going through illness, long-term disability, and perhaps a little bit frightened. And we're not therapists at Wild Hearts. We're not trying to do therapeutic work. We are trying to hold the space for children who are going through change or difficult times to be able to express their feelings. And then whether we're parents, carers, teachers, hospital staff, social workers, we can touch in with the child, check in and find out where they're at with their feeling. So creative expression often gives children a safe, less pressured way of expressing themselves. They don't always have the words, and if we're questioning them, then we can feel like, or they can feel like they're being put on the spot. So all of the kits that we do at Wild Hearts are designed to be used in a creative way. You can buy the cards just on their own. So for older children, you might then team it up with things like sculpture, Lego, cool pens, or you might buy the full creative kit, which in this case comes with felt tips. So my daughter loves to draw with felt tips. It comes with a pencil. What I would say is if they're having a really big feeling and you're trying to support them in a difficult moment, then don't put all of the colours out, because that can be overwhelming. So you might start with a pencil and then just a couple of colours. We have a comfort stone. So this is to help them feel grounded and to hold that stone when they're thinking about what they've expressed or what they are trying to get through, and take a moment. So we hand stamp. We've got lots of different stamps. All of our little pouches with messages. So this is I can take a moment. All of the stones are slightly different, but when I pick them, I always go and find them myself. I make sure that they're suitable for smaller hands, and I put this little, paint this little heart on every one. So everything that we do is unique to them and done with love. I hope you feel that. The kit also has a bear, so we found this gorgeous bear. He's just lovely, he's so soft. If a child's already attached to a different bear, then I would stick with that bear, or use this as a little fresh start just for the hospital transitions. But the key is that we want the child to attach to something so that they can gain sort of comfort and reassurance. And to try and help with that attachment, we give this bear no name, and we put in a name your bear card. So this is your little bear. You can tell it your worries, your thoughts or your wishes. It's here to help you feel a little bit calmer and braver. Keep it close on big days, quiet moments, or when you need comfort. So we try to help with that attachment, but if they have got another item that they are more attached to, then this might just be a fun bear that isn't doing the job that we want, which is connection, comfort, safety. So the creative kits all come with a journal, again hand stamped, and they can put their name on it. They can decorate it, as my daughter has there. And it's really good quality paper, and again they can use it as a journal. So journals are really good for people to, adults as well, to move forward with and have an account of their feelings as they've gone through. So we went for felt tips and the journal for the hospital kit, as opposed to paint, so that it didn't get messy and they could pick it up at any time to suit them. A lot of kits we understand in hospitals are used as distraction kits, whereas this is more to process feelings. So this is the star of the show. These are the cards that all of our kits are around. They are designed to be relevant to every child. So The reason why we have done them as a card set is so that you can discard what you don't need and keep what's relevant, or what you feel that your child will benefit from. And that's how we make it more unique than having a book that represents the situation for a child. I'm a massive fan of books and really value their importance in representation for children, so that they don't feel alone in their circumstances, and they know that others are going through things too. But these cards will make it more unique for their experience. So we have 2 instruction cards in every pack, one for anyone adult to read and understand how to use the kit, and then one for the child to go through. And then we use affirmation cards. So affirmations can make positive connections in our brain. So you are cared for and loved. Oh, that's the child instruction one. You are brave even when you feel scared. Now, the problem with affirmations is it's all very well repeating that daily, but will it stick for our children when they're having other feelings override them? So what we do in our kits is we put little gentle prompts. I'm just going to find one now. I wonder what a safe, happy place looks like for you. So the cards, on average, are around about 19 cards per pack. You can have them all out. They're very, very beautiful, very gentle and calming, and you can pick out what's right. My daughter likes to pick out her own, so she'll pick out her affirmation and then she'll pick out the prompt. I wonder what your bear would say to you today. And by the child transferring their feelings onto what bear wants to say, it helps it feel a little bit more manageable for them, rather than having to say, well, this is how I feel. They can say, well, actually, that's how bear is. And what we can do as adults is hold the space for them. So every kit has this holding the space card, which gives us ideas as to how we can respond, how we can pause, notice, stop, listen, and not necessarily rushing to fix everything. We're not therapists, we're not trying to fix children, we're just trying to hold the space for them to have those feelings. And that is the Wild Hearts approach. We have huge amounts of kits that we've done, all relevant to different children's circumstances. Some will be more day-to-day circumstances, and some are like this where it's more specialised. And over the years to come, we have a lot more ideas on how we can support children. If anybody's got any questions or they want to know what kit is more relevant to them, then please get in touch. Thank you very much.